lizard friend loves to hang out at Matt Science. He loves to go up in the air. And we have a way of making him do that with this tube. And also using a very special type of chemical that we call methanol. Does anybody happen to know where we get our methanol? Cow farts. That is 110% scientifically true. We get our methanol from cow farts. Okay, so the more you know. So cows are very, very gassy. If you did not know, cows are super gassy. And they let out a gas that we call methane. And we can bottle up, well, not we, I don't do it. I buy it from scientists who already do it for me. But there are scientists out there that can bottle up this methane, combine it with rubbing alcohol, and we can create something that is called methanol. And a really cool fact about methanol, besides the fact that it comes from cow farts, is that it is super, super combustible. Next fancy schmancy science term, combustible. What combustible means is that it can explode really easily. So what we're gonna try and do, it might be a little bit of a challenge with the wind, but we're gonna try, we're gonna give it our best. I am going to pour in some of my methanol in this tube. You guys are gonna help me count to 15 so I can shake it all around. And then there's a little hole in this tube where what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put our lizard friend up here, and then I'm going to put a lighter to this hole. And what that's gonna do is gonna create a combustion on the inside and hopefully send our lizard friend up in the air. Okay, should we try? Yeah. Okay, since it is a little windy outside, I think I might be better off doing it a little bit more towards the ground. So you guys stay exactly where you are. You guys can kind of shift your bodies if you want, but we have to be on the grass, and I'll do it over here. Very good. Let me grab, I almost forgot my liquid cow farts.
Right on the grass, make sure you're sitting down on your bottom so everybody can see, okay? Make sure you're on the bottom so the people behind you can see. Make sure you're on the grass.
Very good.
On the grass.
We're gonna try this out.
Sit down on your bottom so friends behind you can see. Not on your knees, on your bottom. Right, not on your knees, on your bottom.
Sometimes the wind makes it a little tricky with the lighter, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna pour in. That should be good. And now I'm going to move these around my head. And you guys are gonna help me count to 15 starting now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, let's see. We gotta move kind of fast. I'm gonna put him up on here like this. And now.
There's Patrick.
Let's see.
Whoa!
He did not go very far because of the wind, I think, kind of sucked him in a little bit. We're going to give him some time, and then maybe we can try again in a little bit, but I need to let my tube sort of cool down a little bit because it's going to be very hot on the inside, okay? So we're going to put lizard friend over to the side, and then if we have some more time, after all the other experiments we have, we can give him a second try. How about that?